This lamb curry was what we cooked yesterday, and my wife tried to resist the temptation of keeping the leftover in the refrigerator after flipping her thought multiple times, then only finally agreed to share with her sisters. This delicious curry leans heavily on the Indian origin, but it is perfumed with a blend of Malaysian curry powder. In this video, I will show you how to prepare my Malaysian Indian lamb curry. I'm Katie Kwan. Thanks for joining me. We start with marinate the lamb. I prefer to use bone-in lamb because it imparts flavor to the curry. Ask your butcher to cut it into 1.5-inch cubes or larger since the meat will shrink during cooking. The marinade comprises of yogurt, ginger garlic paste, salt, and some ground turmeric. Massage the marinade into the lamb and let it rest for at least 3 hours or overnight. Next, cut the onion, tomato, and green chilies. You have an option to blend the onion and puree the tomato should you prefer a smooth curry. And chop some green chilies. You can also add some potatoes, but it is entirely optional. Now we add some oil to the pan to temper the herbs and spices. Heat the oil to just below the smoking point. Add the dry whole spices, cardamom, bay leaves, cinnamon bark. Let the flavor of the spices infuse into the oil. Also add some curry leaves, which is almost used in all curry dishes in Malaysia. When it becomes aromatic, add the chopped onion and saute for a few minutes until it becomes soft and slightly brown and translucent. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Remove it as we are using the same pan to brown the lamb. Browning gives the lamb a richer, deeper and more complex flavor. This flavor is only created with high heat, and it does not happen if we just simmer the curry. You need to strike a balance of not burning it while still hot enough to brown the meat. Browning produces a caramelized bit that sticks onto the pan, and it is full of flavor. Add the chopped tomato to deglaze the pan. These are treasures which greatly enhance the flavor of a curry. The tomatoes will start to disintegrate and release more liquid. But if you find it is a little bit too dry, add just a bit of water. After deglaze, return the lamb and the onions back to the pan. Meanwhile, add the remaining ground spices. Chopped green chili, garam masala, ground cumin, ground coriander, the Malaysian curry powder. You may need to add some water if it is too thick. Simmer over low heat to keep it barely simmer. It will take at least 90 minutes before the lamb becomes soft and tender. Since the amount of water in the curry may differ, it is necessary to do a taste test before serving. I prefer to add some more salt, curry powder, mix well and cook down to the consistency that you want. When it is done, transfer it to a serving bowl. And garnish with some coriander leaves and red chili. Thanks for watching, and I hope you will enjoy this Malaysian style lamb curry. If you'd like to get a recipe, I have included it in the description right below the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button and give me a like. And I'll see you again in some of the similar videos soon on this channel, and bye for now.